Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing good in this lockdown period. With this, I am planning to start sessions for those who really want to learn something in this lockdown period, who really want to do something in their career. So, if you want to learn English speaking, listening, reading, and writing without any effort, then I think this is the right place for you. Because from uh, I don't know about the date, but very soon I'm going to start online class at 4 o'clock every day, and I will use CEFR curriculum and CEFR benchmark and the curriculum which I used to teach. Let's have a look on the syllabus which I am going to follow for the next 7 weeks. So these are the lessons which I am planning to follow in my next 7 weeks, and I wish that if you have learned, still you come and go through the classes, you will learn. Definitely, you will learn something new this time, because I'm not going to teach you only lesson. With this lesson I'm going to provide you audio, videos, songs, movies, everything which might be, or maybe you have watched, but still there are many questions related to those videos which you must haven't faced. With this, every after every lesson, after every lesson I will ask you few questions which you can answer in my comment section, and every week I will take a small test. For those tests I will share a link in my video, and I will share a link for monthly test too. I will take monthly test every month. See, language or English speaking is not about what are you learning, how are you learning, from where are you learning. It's just about practice. So, if you want to learn English speaking, listening, reading, and writing in a competitive way on a benchmark of international uh, benchmark, then I think it's a good place for you. See, after some days, after being master on elementary level, I will teach you how to learn from different learning websites, how to get certified from different websites like Khan Academy, you can see here Khan Academy, and Future Learn, EDX, Coursera. I will teach you how to use career counseling. I'll teach you how to use novel for better reading, writing, and listening and speaking skills. I will teach you how to do keyboarding in a good way, because keyboarding is very important nowadays for any basic job. And here there are many more websites, fset, british council and all. So I will be giving you few links for that, for particular. See, there are a huge number of courses and things on internet, on different website, but all things are not useful. So I'll give you some selective things. And the best thing is, if you are not being tested, you are not going to see where are you standing right now. Might be feeling you're not feeling good right now to speak in English in front of anyone, but after doing this you will feel. So if you want to learn in this lockdown something new, if you want to do something better, so I hope this is the right time, I hope this is the right place for you. And if you will put your 100%, you follow me 100%, you give you 100%, I'll definitely lead you to the master, and to the master level of English speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And I'll be taking your speaking, I'll be taking your speaking course, speaking also, and I will test it also online. I'll create some groups, I'll be in that group for few minutes, and I'll guide you how to do group discussion. And later on we will be learning many more things. Thank you so much. And I'll be creating this online sessions or these online classes if I got a good response or reward from your sides. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to leave reward if you really want to learn something free of cost without any effort, especially English. Then definitely write it here. Thank you so much.